Hey guys, if you are looking for a family-sized layout, brand new and hot in the market in Petaling Jaya, then you must check this place out. We are today in Tropicana looking at AETAS Damansara. Let's go.
AETAS Damansara was recently completed in 2025 with only 226 units spanning across two towers, Towers A and B, with only 2 units per floor on Tower B and 4 units per floor on Tower A. Residents here can enjoy maximum privacy and exclusivity. On top of that, each unit comes with its own private lift lobby that you can use when you're leaving or entering the home. This can also be a welcome space whenever you're having guests over. Being in Tropicana PJ, residents are close by to neighbouring townships such as Bandar Utama, Ara Damansara, Kota Damansara and even Damansara Uptown. And you'll be able to find your way through easy access via the LDP, NKVE and even Sprint Highway. Of course, for all you shoppers out there, Tropicana Gardens Mall is only 3 kilometers away and One Utama about 5 km away. And for parents looking to send their children for education, there's the famous St. Joseph International School that caters from as early as 3 years old all the way up to A-levels. Return home to a welcoming experience that begins with wide open roads and beautiful landscaping. That leads to an exquisite lobby with high ceilings and a centerpiece pavilion. From the waiting lounge to the facilities deck, you can see the modern theme design and visuals throughout the building, anchored by dedicated recreational spaces including the serene infinity pool and a fully equipped gymnasium that indulges the breathtaking views of the Tropicana Golf Course.
So right now we are in Block B, which is the premium block, because you only have 2 units per floor and 2 lifts servicing the 2 units with the extra service lift at the back. And coming out, you have this amazing private lift lobby just for you. This is where you can host your guests, or as they're waiting or you're leaving the house, this is where you can actually put some seats around. And right now we are in the 3110 square feet unit. Check out this amazing living space. From wall to wall, it's about 26 over feet. And that opens up to this huge balcony which goes out 6 feet with the beautiful glass balustrade and that amazing view that comes with it. Have a look at the best view in Tropicana. The golf course right in your doorstep, and further out you have the reserve and the hills at the back. So we have a few different sections of the house. Right? So over here, this is where the dry kitchen is, where you can entertain your guests. Over here on my left, you have the private living that opens up to another balcony. And because this one is a unit on Tower B, so you have this open balcony with another set of beautiful views overlooking the Tropicana bungalows. Again, nothing obstructing your views. And now coming to the back of the house, you have this sliding door that opens up if you want to enhance the space, or if you are planning to cook, you can actually close it up. So this is where you have the wet kitchen on my left, and on my right is where you can have a full set of cabinets with a beautiful island right in the middle. This is where you can prepare all your food, getting ready to host your guests outside. And as with any family home, you will need a big spacious yard for you to do your laundry. To my left, you will have the helper's room and the helper's bathroom. And to my right, this is the utility exit, again where you can utilize for throwing your waste and your rubbish when you're done without having to go through the front. So it's a 4+1 unit layout. Right? This one, the first room that we have here, is the master room. You can add your art piece over here. And coming in, you have got this nice practical layout. Bedrooms, you have space for your TV. Again, huge generous windows overlooking the golf course of Tropicana. And not obstructing the space is your walk-in wardrobe, which you can have at the back. Right? This is a beautiful L shape. And of course, the master bathroom that comes with it. His and her sink. Nice bathtub. Again, with the best views in Tropicana. And over here we have the 3 other rooms, each one for your family members or your guests who are coming to visit. Now what I really like about it is that it's very big, right? So you got enough to have your bed, your wardrobe without sacrificing too much of the area. And all the units come with its own attached bathroom and a very generous sized windows where all the windows are facing external, so we got nothing facing the void. So even right now it's 12 p.m. and the room is brightly lit. So that's pretty much all for the unit today. I hope you like the video so far, but if you want to come and check out this place for yourself, do WhatsApp me or give me a call so that I'll be more than happy to show you the place, and who knows, you might also like this place as much as we do. So until then, signing off, Darren here, and I'll see you soon.